Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a role on your Discord server. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Discord application and I'm going to open up my server on Discord. For example, this server. Okay, and then we're going to go to the server setting guys. I'm going to select server settings right here and you will find role. Okay, and here you'll be able to create a role for your members. I'm going to click on create role and role name, for example, leader, like this, and then I'm going to give color. For the leader, I'm going to select red. Okay, and then you can choose image if you want. I'm going to choose I'm going to choose no, I don't want to choose image guys because it's not free. Okay, and then we just need to click on save changes. And yeah, and you can give this role to one of your member and your servers. It's up to you. And okay guys, that's how you can create a role in Discord server. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.